Why can't you move, Darren?
Mm-hmm.
Why can't you move? Does she got something? Oh, she let go. What are you doing to his hair, honey bunny? You pulling daddy's hair? Oh, pushing daddy. Why are you such a bully? Why are you such a bully? She's done.
Ow, it's my eye. Oh, you trying to grab my hair?
Lana Jane taking daddy's hair. What little he has.
Thanks to Mom.
Hey, don't leave the girls out. They have something to do with it too.